The option over here of a reverse segment, which is grayed out now, does not really reverse the content of this segment, the frames of this segment. Let me show you how it works. Reverse segment will use the duration of the segment to start playing backward from the first frame of the segment. Complicated? Not really, it's very easy. So let's say you go forward for 51 seconds. Okay, that is 1 second only. So I've set a keyframe here. So the duration of this segment now is 1 second. Notice our first frame here, and if you press F, you match frame with the source monitor. If you go for the reverse segment, it really did not reverse the segment itself. What's exactly happened is from this frame is gonna start playing 1 second backward. Notice what's happening. Okay, it's exactly like playing 1 second backward just over here. Okay, let's keyframe this one. So now it has taken 1 second, which is the duration of the segment, and started from this frame to play backward another 1 second. You get it, guys? So it's a really very nice editing because now you're playing 1 second backward, then forward. Notice where it continues. There is no jump in the frames. It doesn't make sense in video editing where you're showing a scene backward, then you jump to the forward. It doesn't make sense. Unfortunately, if you come to the end over here, you will notice that we lost our last frame. So really, this 1 second played backward, it has been taken from the outpoint. So all you have to do is to click, of course, in the trim tool, and readjust it the way you would like. For example, something like this. And let's play. You notice it's pretty cool how it's working. Let's play from here. So the guy goes forward, backward, and so on. Now combining reverse segment is not gonna be easy. It's gonna take some work with you to understand the system, how it works. Let's say I come over here, I put a keyframe, then come over, put another keyframe, and reverse this segment. Okay, so actually it's gonna play these frames over here. Notice, so the frames are gonna go back and then continue from where it started. Here you are. So actually you are playing these frames. So sometimes it's very useful and very powerful. Actually, we're still in the same clip. So the guy is charging in, then goes back, and then comes out. So actually, reverse segment is very useful when you want to reverse starting from a certain frame and going backward a definite time. So thank you very much for listening. I hope this was useful. And if you have any questions, post them in the Q&A section of the course. I'll be very happy to answer them and to help you more. Thank you.